This is part 3 of the volume series, On Balance Volume, or OBV. This is one of the oldest volume indicators there is, and its logic is almost embarrassingly simple. That simplicity is exactly why it works. What it measures. OBV is a running total. When the stock closes higher, you add that day's volume to the total. When it closes lower, you subtract the volume from the total. Do that day after day, and you get a single cumulative line. The absolute number doesn't mean much on its own. What matters is the direction of the line. A rising OBV means volume is flowing in on up days, accumulation. A falling OBV means volume is concentrated on down days, distribution. The idea is that volume often moves before price. If buyers are quietly accumulating, OBV can climb even while price is still consolidating. Reading the signals. The cleanest use is confirmation. When price is making new highs and OBV is climbing right alongside it, the move has volume behind it. That's a healthy, well-supported trend. The more valuable and trickier signal is divergence. Watch for price pushing to a new high while OBV fails to follow, making a lower high instead. Price is going up, but fewer and fewer shares are backing the move. That gap is a warning the rally may be running out of buyers, sometimes before price shows any crack. The honest catch. Here's where a lot of people get burned. They see a divergence and short the stock the next day. Divergences can persist for a long time before price turns, if it turns at all. A stock can keep grinding higher on a weakening OBV for weeks. Divergence is a reason to pay attention and tighten your risk, not a standalone reversal trigger. Treat it as a yellow light, not a red one. OBV is built into the NWC-Analytics technical analysis dashboard with a plain English read on whether the current trend shows accumulation or distribution.